guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy and inexpensive Christmas door swag. Please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So you're going to need one greenery swag, and this one is 24 inches long, and you're going to want to fluff the swag. This takes a little bit of time, but it's really flat, so you're going to want to fluff it. I did use a different sign. Both of my signs came from Dollar Tree, but my colors were just not working out, so I used a Be Merry Dollar Tree sign instead of the Faith one. You're going to need some ribbon with wire and 2 rolls of the Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh. You are also going to need some Dollar Tree shatterproof Christmas ornaments for this teardrop door swag. Lots of different places sell these swags, and there's lots of different price points. I got this one on sale when it was like 60% off, so always check for sales around this time of the year. So you're going to want to separate your branches, fluff your entire teardrop swag, and it looks much better when it's fluffed. This swag just happens to be flocked, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to use a flocked one. A regular greenery one works perfect too. Now you're going to want to take your 2 rolls of your Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh and cut it into strips at 20 inches long. Next, you're going to take one of your 20-inch strips, let it curl toward the ceiling, and you're going to put one hand on each end and kind of roll the ends, then walk your fingers to the middle until they meet, and you have a cute little ruffle. Now you're going to go to the top of your swag, and you're going to take the mesh, put it between 2 branches, and give it a twist. And you're going to want to put your little deco mesh pieces all the way down the left side and all the way down the right, and then I put one at the top and one at the bottom. Next, you're going to take 2 strips of ribbon with wire, smooth down about 3 or 4 inches, pinch it together, go to the top left side of your swag, twist the ribbon between 2 branches, And then you're just going to go all the way down your swag. Don't pull your ribbon tight, leave it loose, move down about 6 or 8 inches, pinch it together again, then twist the ribbon in a couple branches, fluff your ribbon, and I'm using 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. It's my green ribbon from Sam's Club. Then the top ribbon is also from Sam's Club, and it's just 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. So notice I'm not pulling it tight, I'm leaving it loose. So just keep one color on top of the other, pinch it together, find 2 branches, twist the ribbon between the 2 branches, and when you get to the end, just leave a tail and do the same thing on the right side. Next, I'm going to tie a large bow for the top of the teardrop door swag. So let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop, try to make it the same size as your first loop. Now I am just putting one color on top of the other and trying to keep the 1.5-inch width ribbon in the center of the 2.5. This is kind of a different way to make a bow, but I wanted the stripe in the center, so I thought I'd give it a try, and it turned out okay. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if this isn't the one for you, let me know and I'll try to link one in the comments section below. And also I have some more teardrop door swag tutorials on my channel, so I'll link one of my favorites in the description box for you so you can check it out. Now once you have your bow the size you want, then you're going to take some floral wire, wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow, then you'll want to dovetail the ends, then fluff the loops of your bow. Keep your wires long on your bow because you're going to take those wires, go to the top of your door swag, thread the wires through the greenery, go to the back, twist the wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. Now for the bottom of the swag, I did tie a smaller bow. Also, I just wanted to mention that you do not have to buy a pre-made swag. You can take 2 of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees and make a teardrop swag with them for only $2, and I have a video where I did that, so I'll also link that one for you in the description box. I wanted to use the faith sign from Dollar Tree, but the colors were just not working out, so I went with the Be Merry Dollar Tree sign, and I really like the way it turned out. And you're also going to need some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, and there's the smaller bow that I made. Now I just removed the greenery and the buffalo plaid check ribbon off the top of the Be Merry sign, and I just tied a solid red bow, then hot glued it onto the very top. After I hot glued the bow on, I let it dry for a little bit, then I removed the twine off of the top of the sign, and I used a piece of floral wire instead of the twine to attach the sign to the wreath. And I just threaded the wires through the greenery, went to the back, twisted the wires, then cut them off short and folded them down. Last, I hot glued on some shatterproof Christmas ornaments. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. And then I hung it up on my front door. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this teardrop door swag. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.